What's stopping you from selling your home this summer? I'm Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team, powered by Place at Keller Williams Sonoran Living. So the market's changed a lot this year. And what I'm seeing is homes are staying on the market a lot longer because they're overpriced. They're priced for a market that was bustling and booming and not the market that we're in right now. The market that we're in right now has buyers looking for deals and sellers are having to accommodate that if they're going to sell their home. So I say this all the time and I'll say it again. Houses that sell are clean, 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 and clutter-free. Your house is priced appropriately, it's spotlessly clean, it's clutter-free, it's going to sell. So something like 98% of buyers find their homes online first. So if your house doesn't have great professional photos or a video walkthrough or even a floor plan, which we're seeing is becoming more and more popular, those are things that could hold a buyer back from actually visiting your home and falling in love with it and purchasing it. So it's really important that whoever you work with does a lot of visual promotion because we want to have those buyers see the house online and then get them in the door so that we can have them fall in love with your house. So the summer market, like I said, can be much more competitive right now, but if you follow these points and you hire an agent who knows what they're doing and can help you with your marketing, you're going to be successful this summer. I'm Katie Taylor with the Goodman Taylor team, and I'd love to talk to you more about this.